What type of toothpaste should I use for removing windshield scratches?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an unusual topic, using toothpaste to remove windshield scratches. It may sound strange, but this simple household product could just be your budget-friendly answer to minor car windshield issues. Let's get started.
Why toothpaste?
You might wonder why toothpaste can be used to deal with scratches on your windshield. The reason lies in the abrasive nature of toothpaste. Toothpaste, especially whitening types, contains tiny abrasive particles that can help buff away minor scratches on various surfaces, including glass.
Which toothpaste should I use?
When it comes to the type of toothpaste, you should opt for non-gel, whitening toothpaste. It's important to avoid gel-based ones as they lack the necessary abrasive properties. Also, the whitening type has more abrasive content, which is beneficial for our purpose here.
How to use toothpaste to remove windshield scratches.
Here is a quick step-by-step guide. 1. Clean your windshield. Before applying toothpaste, it's important to clean your windshield thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Apply the toothpaste. Dab a small amount of toothpaste onto a soft, clean cloth. Rub the cloth over the scratches in a circular motion, applying moderate pressure. 3. Rinse and dry. After applying the toothpaste, rinse your windshield with water. Then, using a clean, dry cloth, wipe off the water and dry the surface. 4. Repeat if necessary. If the scratches are still visible, you might need to repeat the process a few times. Remember, this method works best for minor, shallow scratches. For deep scratches or chips, it's always best to consult with a professional. That's it for today, and I hope this simple toothpaste trick makes your windshield look as good as new. Until next time, stay safe and drive carefully.